So if you're working from home, you probably bought some new things to help accommodate you, or you're probably using more of the resources that you already paid for. And if you're planning to write those off on your taxes, reporter Julio Avila talked to the experts about what you need to know before you itemize.
There are no tax benefits to working from home if you are an employee.
This as a result of more people working from home.
So I've had people ask, can we, since I work from home, do I get to deduct my office now?
So take, for example, that laptop you may have bought that cost a couple of hundreds of dollars, the rent, or even certain utilities. Just to name a few examples, all of these expenses you cannot write off.
The Tax Act a few years ago got rid of tax break for employees. If you are self-employed and now instead of going to your office, you're working from home, you can deduct the portion of your home that you're using as your office.
And for those homeschooling their kids this year, it's the same scenario. A tax write-off normally reduces the amount of tax that you owe.
I do think there will be folks who try to claim these expenses when they itemize or as some sort of other miscellaneous deduction, and they're just not going to be allowed.
And if you do,
they may get a letter from the IRS at some point saying, hey, you owe us some money.
Reinhardt suggests to track your expenses, organize those receipts, and utilize free tax resources online, as well as the IRS.
Otherwise, that's why it always makes sense to, if you have a more complex tax situation, have a professional take a look at it.
Julio Avila, News 3.